Hello everyone. Let's take a look at my trading recap for the day. I will walk you through my train of thought. To be honest, this is a day where I am not very proud of. So, as you see here, I started trading at 8:25 London session. I fell for this fake double bottom, and what was my thought behind this first trade? You can see a triangle here. You can see somewhat wider triangle here. And if you take the wicks, the tails, you can see this bigger triangle here. So I thought this could be a rejection from the lower triangle to a test of the middle of the triangle around here. You can see this midpoint. You have consolidation from the upper side, a little more down, from the upper side, and the upper side. So it comes up, goes down, like here, goes down, breaks through, goes up, goes down. With a little imagination, this is close enough. Here as well. And what I was thinking was, yeah, we go here and test to the upside with a nice double bottom. But obviously what happened was there were a lot more sellers than buyers above this bar here. This is my bull bar where I entered above at 29.356 around here. Got a nice fill. Nice double bottom, but it wasn't a double bottom, it was a bull trap. Why did I take this trade? Not only because of the bottom of the triangle, this was a wedge down, another wedge down, 1, 2 and 3, with the last wedge didn't quite the last swing didn't quite reach the bottom of the last swing. 1, 2, 3. So I had a wedge, a nested wedge, and I thought this would be it. Leg 1, leg 2 move. We go up here, test it to the middle. Then we got this huge bear bar here, and not only a bear bar, but we got a gap here. If you can see this, there's a gap right here, and then I was stopped out here below this bull bar. This was my stop loss. And then when we closed that bar, I just went short at the close of this bar. Why? Because I thought, well, we have here a double bottom, and that double bottom didn't hold, and if the double bottom doesn't hold, my first target would be around the height of the double bottom neckline, and I had a take profit order down here and didn't reach my take profit order, but got a huge bull bar, but I was break even stop, And after this huge bull bar, I thought, okay, well, we have now a really nice fake out. We going up, and I bought again 25, a little bit late, but I bought here and got stopped out again there. And somehow the thought of this being a double bottom and a wedge bottom and some kind of consolidation, you see shrinking stairs and waning momentum, and then I bought somewhere in here and scaled in a little lower and hoped for at least a test to the moving average. And this is what we got here, the nice bull bar. And after this bull bar closing well below the moving average and the next bar being a bull bar as well, I held on for a test of around here, the last low, and 79 somewhere here, and I got filled on this bull bar. And then I called it a day. Why was I not particularly happy with this day? Well, a couple of reasons. This is a bull trap and I fell for the bull trap. And yeah, the next trade as well. I should have taken profits somewhere here after this bull bar. This was a surprise bull bar, but we had a wedge bottom here as well. I did hesitate taking the profits down here. This didn't develop right there, so I had no clue it would be something like this, much more like this. Close is close enough. Is this close enough? Well, yeah, this is probably close enough, and I should have taken profits. And here as well, I should have taken profits at the moving average. I didn't do it, so I could have had two very good trades. This was a short because of the gap and the momentum rejected from the moving average. A nice short, but didn't I held too long, and this was the same thing, held too long, and yeah, this wasn't a good trade, a good day for me. So, well, this was my trading day. You see, I started before London session, but my position size is 2 contracts right now. This is too big for the major moves you see here. The moves we have here in this later sessions, actually it's usually not so strong. Right here I'm comfortable because otherwise I would need to flip to micros and better, worse commissions, worse spreads, worse conditions. So I stick to the minis, and also in the morning is my prime time where I am pretty fit in my head, and before work I start on the trade 1 hour or 1.5 hours or so. Well, yeah. Let's go have a look at the stats. Right now it doesn't look too bad. As you see, this was the stop loss trade, and this was the regaining trade rate analysis. So this is my first day on a evaluation account. Hopefully I will get another payout, but if I resume trading like this, I will probably end up failing this account. So yeah, there would be a red bar because this was my one trade where I had the huge loss. So awesome. I wish you all a great day, a nice week. Bye bye.